There are some people, it don't matter what you do, they're gonna talk behind your back. That's reality.
Hypocrites, hypocrites.
In modern times, social media status and brand is sweet. The hypocrites are getting bold and louder these days. And they want we to join their game, Lord, but we don't want no part of their game. Cause this will take a toll on our soul and devour our minds and our whole. You see, on social media they're posting high and mighty, a far cry from reality. But when you look around at the life they live in and the height of hypocrisy, it's a burning shame. I can't play that game. I could play football, I could play cricket, but I can't play
hypocrite.
Say dominoes, I could play a beat, but I can't play hypocrite. No one can watch you in your face and just lie to you.
Hypocrite.
And that is easy for some people to do.
So true.
Behind your back they would sit and call your name,
Hypocrite.
and they doing it just for a little fame. Hypocrite, hypocrite, hypocrite. I just can't play hypocrite. Don't believe me? Take a look around and you would see the absurdity, malicious internet and hypocrisy. And they getting worse every day. Lord, it's like the devil come out to play. And this thing is very real. See, hurting your brother, how does that feel? Whoa. So when you hear them talking good about you, just know your backlash is coming soon. Cause as you turn your back and you go away, your ears will be ringing till the next day. It's a goddamn shame. I can't play that game. I could play football, I could play cricket, but I can't play
hypocrite.
Say dominoes, I could play a beat, but I can't play hypocrite. Oh, I could watch you in your face and just lie to you.
Hypocrite.
And that is easy for some people to do.
So true.
Behind your back they would sit and call your name,
Hypocrite.
and they doing it just for a little fame.
Hypocrite.
Hypocrite, hypocrite. I just can't play hypocrite. plain to see. This behavior now have become common. The hypocrites are all over Facebook and Instagram, and they posting Bible verse, yeah, all kind of quotes like they have course. And when you analyze how they live, the intention is just to deceive. So don't be fooled by wolves in sheep clothing. See, watch them, the heart is not clean. And if you really don't believe me, your life would be a calamity. It's a bloody shame. I can't play that game. I could play football, I could play cricket, but I can't play
Hypocrite.
See, dominoes I could play a beat, but I can't play. No, I can watch you in your face and just lie to you.